I know this ain't Alaska, and it sure ain't on the Bering Sea. That sure looks like a king crab to me. Well, I'm seasoned.
Welcome to See Smoke, and welcome to a new episode. This evening it's dinner time, and we know we love it when it's dinner time. So tonight on the menu, we are having, look at there, king crab legs tonight. We're going to smoke these up on the grill today, and we're going to make some jambalaya rice to go with this king crab also, and some honey glazed carrots. So we're going to show you how to smoke the king crab, and then I'm going to show you how to make the honey glaze to go on the carrots in a little while. So stay tuned, and we'll see you in a few minutes.
Alright, we got our smoker running at 350 degrees. We're going to do like a hot and fast cook with these, but it's going to be an indirect heat, the fire's in the firebox. Cook chamber is just heat. Put the crab on here. These are still partially frozen a little bit, which is perfectly fine. That helps them steam a little bit inside their shell. Don't worry if you got them kind of stacked on top of each other a little bit. That'll be perfectly fine. Just have that little leg on there. Let them go for a little bit. Heat up. Now we are cooking over oak wood today. That's what I got burning right now. And like I said, we're going to try to maintain this temperature anywhere around the 300 to 350 degree range would be fine. That way we can get this crab to get a little smoke on it, plus basically steam inside that shell. And you can hear it's kind of raining on me today, so sorry if it's a little dim lit out here. Okay, once your crab turns a dark orange, you're good to bring it in. Let's get these off the smoke. Smell that.
Alright everyone, now we're ready to make our honey glaze to go on our carrots. So I'm going to use, since I don't have that many carrots, I'm going to use about a tablespoon of butter to go on there. So we're going to add that in there. I'm going to use a little less than 1/4 of a cup of honey to go in here. that out. And I'm gonna pop that so I don't get everything sticky. And I'm gonna use about what is this one? A half a tablespoon of brown sugar. Now, if you need to use more, then by all means use more. Normally you do about 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 of a cup of honey, a pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of butter. But like I said, I don't have that many carrots, so I don't need that much to go into mine. But just, you know, measure yours out according to how much you need. And you're going to need a dash of salt in there to go along with the sweetness. Mix this all up. And see, I just roasted my carrots today in the oven. But you can do them on the grill, you can do them in the oven, you know, whatever suits you for the day. Give me a second, I'm going to wash my hands because they're sticky. Okay, now we got all that ready to go. I'm going to probably just go ahead and turn my oven off because I had it at 350 while I was cooking my carrots. But I don't want to like over super do this and like burn the sugars in there. So I'm just going to turn it off, and my oven's still pretty warm. And it'll take a little while for it to cool off, so I'm just going to put that in there while it's cooling off, and it should glaze my carrots just fine. Alright, well, check back. Okay, everything's ready now. As you can see, our king crab is nice and smoked in a bright orange color, and our carrots are all glazed. And now Gary's going to try some of the crab meat.
Turn out real good. Got a good flavor. Not over smoked though. Oak wood was right, you know, the right wood to be cooking that crab up. Now I gotta try to get the rest out of there.
Alright, that's going to be it for tonight. We hope you enjoyed this video. We hope it's something that you would like to try also. We'll see y'all next time, and enjoy cooking.
Happy
Bye.
smoking.